Let's review this Mova V50 Ultra Complete Robot Vacuum and Mop. So this has 24,000 Pascal of suction, liftable navigation with obstacle overcoming and warm water mopping with DuoSolution system designed for pets. 4.3 ratings on Amazon. That says a nice product out there. Price is $999, so not a cheap one, but with such a high suction power, price seems to be justified. Although the list price is $1,400 approximately, it's available at 29% discount right now. Let's go into the details and find whether this vacuum mop suits your needs or not. First and foremost, what you'll be getting in this Mova V50, there is a base station, mop pad, 2 pre-installed, mop pad holder, that's also 2, washboard filter pre-installed, mop pad. There will be 12 mop pads, 3 dust bags, main brush is 1, side brush is 2, dust box filters 3, 1 cleaning solution, 1 pet odor solution, power cord, base station ramp extension plate, user manual and auto solution dispenser, 2 dust bags and the robot vacuum itself. Now what are the specifications? Talking about navigation, it has flexi rise navigation. The navigation system in this detects narrow spaces such as under the sofa, and as soon as the VersaLift LDS sensor detects these spaces, the sensor is retracted to achieve a more compact size. So it can even move around with tight spaces also. In open spaces, it is extended and guarantees better visibility, precise navigation and efficient route planning. Now with robot vacuum cleaners, the main problem is with hair tangling. There is a possibility of zero hair tangling because of the triple anti-tangle mechanisms or wheel and brushes. So you can effortlessly clean your carpets and hard floors. It will remove hair, dirt, debris with its powerful suction of 24,000 Pascal. And the triple anti-tangle mechanisms in previous versions of Mova and even in other vacuum cleaners such as Roborock, Dream, the brushes have duo anti-tangle mechanism, but it has the triple anti-tangle mechanism, and the suction power is also one of the best, I think, and one of the highest. With this, you won't have recurring problem of hair tangling with the brushes and detaching it with your hand. So once in a while you will have to detangle or clean it while doing the maintenance work, but on day-to-day basis you don't have to do that extra work. Then there is DuoSolution system for wiping with warm water. So it has warm water mopping system. In other vacuum cleaners, the warm water is used only to clean the mops, and then the vacuum cleaner goes ahead clean the hardboards, tiles, etc. But with this Mova V50, there is option for warm water mopping also. This removes stubborn stains. And then there is DuoSolution system. You can choose between an all-purpose cleaning solution or a pet odor removal agent that is automatically sprayed onto the mop, clean as needed. And then there is protected flexi press mop pad which ensures even pressure for optimal results. If we talk about the obstacles while mopping, how it detects obstacles, there is synchronous obstacle avoidance. It has a step master system. You can see here in the picture. It can easily step onto the steps up to 1.5 inches and then again 0.78 inches. It can lift the device to overcome obstacles such as steps, thresholds, door edges and U-shaped furniture legs, as well as 2-layer sleepers up to 2.36 inches tall. So a single obstacle or vertical step, it overcomes up to a height of 1.6 inches. And the dry board has 20 spray nozzles that distributes water evenly and improves the cleaning. The center filter collects dirt and removes used water, minimizing water stains on the washboard. So you can enjoy straightforward cleaning, trouble-free maintenance and operation without odor or nuisance. So let's recap the features once again. There is mopping with warm water and the dual mops rotates with 260 RPM. That is a high-speed mop rotation. There is double solution container, so that if you have pets, you can easily deal with the pet odor. 8 newtons of even mop pressure. Problem with mopping in these robot vacuum cleaners are that they don't exert enough pressure. But it has dual mop which exerts even pressure and the floating mop holder can adjust by 2 mm and down by 1 mm. And then there is 5 degree of mop tilting with better contact on uneven surfaces. So this provides balanced pressure, improves floor coverage and mop self-cleaning, leaving floors cleaner and the mop drier. And then this 24,000 pascal of powerful suction. With this much suction power, it will easily lift up heavy debris, large debris, dust, pet hairs from carpets. And then there is HEPA self-cleaning. When the base station collects dust, exhaust air from the base station fan is blown back into the HEPA filter, dislodging dust and maintaining strong suction without clogging. So these are some specific features that you won't find in other vacuum cleaners. So this also justifies the price. It provides you a pet-friendly cleaning. There is in-depth pet care, precise pet waste recognition. So that's a good feature, providing a dynamic coverage for human pet areas, pet zone cleaning customization, large particles boost mode 2.0, remote pet monitoring, extra cleaning for pet active zone, pet finding mode, pet vlog auto generation. So these are the things for those who have pets around their house. You can see here the V50 Ultra Complete smartly separates vacuuming and mopping tasks by lifting mops or brushes when not used, tackling carpets and other surfaces in a targeted way. When crossing thresholds, main brush, side brush and mop all lifts to assist passage. And you can see the mop pads, they extend, they retract. The triple brushes, the flex mop robo swing extends the mop, and then the retract, obstacle overcoming, specific carpet cleaning, the flexi rise navigation so that the mop adjusts even in the tight spaces. And now let's talk about the mop station. The intelligent power dock, it has Omni dry system. In the dust bag, the collected dust is sucked. The Omni dry system dries up mop, dust box and dust bag, reducing odor, preventing the formation of mold and mildew, extending their lifespan and minimizing the need for replacements. The washboard is self-clean, jet spray dry board with 20 spray nozzles, tangle protection, and you have voice control, built-in intelligent voice assistant. Now let's dive into the user reviews. The customers find the robotic vacuum cleaner effective at cleaning and mopping. Many have provided detailed review. You can see here. The lighter retracts when it needs to go under spaces. There is a lighter. Package came nicely packed. These are the components that you'll get. You have to install an app to use it. This user has said that they have decided to keep this one after trying 2 cheaper ones. And that's the thing about cheaper ones. You won't get that clean vacuuming and mopping. With this, you are getting very high power suction, a good battery, 3 times the battery size that you get in other vacuum cleaners, although the price is on the higher side, but it gives you a good cleaning, hands-free cleaning, and effective for those who have fur babies at their homes. So nice reviews. All in all, once in a while you have to do some maintenance work that you can do on your own, but apart from that, it will give you a hands-free mopping and cleaning. Let's read some negative reviews also to understand if there are negative side to it. This reviewer says the robot is very smart. I was shocked how fast it mapped my house. 10 of options to make sure the robot cleans where and how you want it. A favorite feature so far. Impressed how well it recognized wires on the floor also. All this said after a few weeks. What was the real issue I could not understand? It dumped a large clump of dirt on my floor. There's some issue regarding, I guess, settings and all that. Doesn't work properly, another user writes. Initially after receiving this, I was impressed by how well it mapped out my house. So navigation works well. After filling the water tank and sending it on its maiden voyage, I realized the floors were not wet, despite the robot spending time washing the mop pads. Not worth this kind of money. So many users have experienced some drawbacks. I bought this less than 30 days ago. The soap would not dispense. The water container leaks. So they have gotten a faulty product. Mova and Amazon don't take care of the customers. So that's a very bad user review if someone says that the customer care doesn't work or the support system is not there. And for a company to work well, their support system should be working on their toes. For such a product with such good features, they should provide customer support. Don't buy Mova, it's a new company, customer service terrible. Main issue with this product is, first, it is high priced. The company is new, although they are promising so many features, but the customer support is not that good. But those who have gotten a good product and have been using for a long time, they say that it works well. But I would say that $999 is not a less amount. So invest your money on a good brand which provides good customer support, even if you have to compromise on few features. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.